Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Make sure you're signed into iCloud with the correct Apple ID and that the device runs the latest OS. Next, inspect the network, switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, and disable any VPN or ad blocker temporarily. Also check router DNS settings and ensure ports aren't blocked. Once done, restart Safari and the device so cached network states reset. This prepares you for the deeper configuration steps that follow. Now you'll change the key toggles. Open Settings your Apple ID iCloud Private Relay and turn it off. Wait about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back on to re-establish the tunnel. In Safari settings, clear website data and disable any experimental web features that could interfere. Check your Apple ID region, family sharing rules, and iCloud storage. Private Relay can be blocked by country or account restrictions. After making changes, force quit Safari and reopen it to test connectivity. Finish by tackling network routing. Renew the DHCP lease on your device or set DNS manually to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP filtering. If problems persist, back up and then reset network settings to clear corrupt profiles. As a last resort, sign out of iCloud, reboot the device, and sign back in. This refreshes account tokens that Private Relay requires. Troubleshooting tip: if Private Relay still fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.